Okay, we're on West Columbus Avenue in downtown Springfield. We're going to take a drive through and see where some of the problem areas are due to all the construction. Now, it's been kind of a mess down here. Lane closures, construction in the middle, all due to the viaduct construction on 91, which is above us to the left. Now, we're coming up to State Street. Let's take a right on State Street, and you can see that State Street is now one way. This used to be a two-way street. It is now one direction heading up towards Main Street. So keep that in mind if you're looking to travel on State Street. It's a bit of a mess down here. Very slow going. They're still allowing parking on the left, which makes this very, very, very tight. And we're not going to fit through here. There you can see this is all casino construction, I believe, and it's made State Street a mess. All right, we're stuck at the light here, and we'll be back in a second. All right, we're going to make the turn onto Main Street. We'll go south on Main Street for a block, and we'll turn down Bliss Street and get back to Columbus Avenue. You can see all the sidewalks are blocked here. The construction is ongoing for the casino project. We just passed the closed Springfield Rescue Mission. They're going to be having Christmas dinner in their new location at the old Orr Cadillac place on Mill Street. All right, making our way down Bliss Street, back to East Columbus Avenue, and we'll continue our tour. Okay, so now we're going to travel past State Street again. You can see all these orange signs are blocked or covered with, looks like black plastic. So I don't know what they say, what they're going to say, but it's going to be a mess, I'm sure. So East Columbus is looking pretty good coming through downtown. There's not too much construction right now. Actually, there's none. So that's all clear. And we're going to continue our way through downtown. To the right, you'll see many more of these signs that are covered. They look like signs directing us to 91. There's one that might say Detour Hall of Fame Avenue there. We're going to go past Tower Square now on East Columbus Avenue. There's a couple of more detour signs covered up. But as of now, on December 9th, East Columbus is pretty clear. More covered up signs. Going to make our way under the railroad tracks, coming up to Liberty Street. And this is all new here. These lights are fairly new. Actually, today's the first time I've seen them in operation. And we're going to end our tour right here at Emery Street. This is the where they're storing all the signs for the highway.